welcome back to my YouTube channel for a new video. In this video I'm going to do an unboxing of my new squad box from the Happy Planner. I'm so excited to open this up. I have just looked at this, I haven't seen any of the products yet, so I'm super excited. And these are items from the new spring release from the Happy Planner. And like, I don't have any details about the release yet, but I will definitely write them all in the descriptions below, so you can see all the deets about the release in the description. So we'll start with open this up. Okay, first we have a pen case. It's really pretty colors. We have a planner companion accessory pack with the pressed florals. So pretty. And I won't be open anything up. I will have separate videos of flip throughs and going through all the accessories and sticker books and planners and everything, so you can see those in those videos. Ooh, and here we have a planner accessories from the new princess collection, the Disney princess. I love this modern look of the princess. And undated calendar extension. So this is dashboard layout with the home body like design. And we have some daily sheets. These are really pretty. We have and classic 18-month planner horizontal layout with the pressed florals. Love this cover, and these are like purple glitter discs. Here's a princess guided journal for goals. And here's a 12-month planner. So the princess planners are only 12 months. And this is a horizontal layout. Super pretty. Here we have a color block layout planner, 18-month. This looks really beautiful. And another 18-month planner, classic size. This has the vertical layout, and this is kind of the same as the sophisticated flowers sticker book. So the same theme with some rose gold, light pink, and black and white. And here we have another guided journal. This is from the pastel leopard collection, so this is everyday. I love the colors here. And this is also from the pastel leopard, but it's a lined vertical 18-month planner. Just, oh, this is gorgeous. Love the name page. And some really pretty dividers. And here we have a pressed floral guided journal with the inspiration. This cover is amazing. And I love the combination with the yellow discs. So, as I said, I will do flip throughs of everything later on. And here we have some dashboards with the pressed florals. Oh, and some stencils. I've been meaning to get one of these, so super excited that I finally got one in one of my squad boxes. And here we have some smaller a smaller sticker pack with the princess collection. So these are the princes that are in this sticker book. And some vinyl stickers that you can put on your water bottle or your computer. I love Pocahontas, so I'm super excited to get her. And here's some plastic envelopes. Find happiness in the journey. These are really pretty with the pastel colors. And we have a Princess Planner Companion Accessory Pack. And some removable, so I think that these are for those big like wet erase boards, I think. Well, we have some big filler paper, some daily sheets. Again, these beautiful pastel colors. So these are for the big planner. And a undated vertical extension pack with the Princess collection. We have a snap-in soft planner cover, so I think that these are kind of the same as the minimalist planner had in the like girl collection release that was this fall. So this is a pink one, but I also think that there is a black one. And some Princess filler paper. Oh, lots of stickers. Okay. And here's a mini notebook. So this is dot grid paper. And the pressed floral mini planner, also gorgeous cover. Oh, beautiful. I love the pressed floral, it's one of my new favorites. And here's a mini vertical layout planner. I'm not sure what collection this is from, but I love the colors of the cover. And it says trust the process. I'm sorry, I just went for a walk before I was filming this, so it's pretty cold outside. So, and here's a horizontal layout. What's it even called? Like the half sheet. Yeah, I can't even remember. But yeah, it's a classic. Oh, classic skinny classic planner, and the pastel leopard collection. And another skinny classic planner. I think that this is the sophisticated florals theme. And here we have some sticker books. So we have the Princess sticker book. Some of the princess and some quotes. And here's a like colorful boxes also with the princess. And here's the sophisticated florals that I was talking about. So the planners that I showed you have like this theme. And here's the sticker book for colorful leopard. Like this is my favorite collection. And also the pressed floral. I love those. And here's a new sticker book called Happy Plans. So we have some like pastel colors and a lot of colorful boxes. So I'm really liking that. And a new pressed floral sticker book. This is one of my favorites, so I'm so happy that I got another one. And also a like accessory book with the pressed floral, so you will get some note paper, some sticky notes, and a bunch of stickers. And we have the zip folio, but with the like pastel leopard. And I have just moved my planner into the black one, but I really think that I will go with this one. Like, I love this. It's gorgeous. And we also have, and this is some of my favorites from this release. I'm so happy that the Happy Planner has some of these kind of like Mambi stick stickers. So this is the Princess collection. So you get like some really big princess stickers and some quotes. And what I can see here is that these are on paper. And here we have a big horizontal princess planner, 12-month planner. And we have a big dashboard layout with the pastel leopard. This cover is also super pretty. And we have the pressed florals big vertical layout. So there's a few big planners in this release, so I'm super excited about that. So this was only a few items that the Happy Planner will be releasing with this spring release. So if you're interested in more things, go check out the rest of the squad and the mentors, because we all got like different things. So you should definitely go and check those out. And I will link all the YouTube channels below in the description as well. And the affiliate link to the Happy Planners, you can shop everything from this collection. So that was it for this unboxing video. If you want to see some flip-throughs, head over to my channel for some flip-throughs of planner stickers, accessory packs, and everything that I showed you in this video. So thank you so much for watching, and I hope that you have a fantastic week. And let me know what was your favorite item from this unboxing video, because I'm really curious. So again, thank you so much for watching. Bye!